Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a Donchian channel in the Tradingview pinescript. This is the indicator function with the name Donchian channel. First, we accept the user input for the length of the Donchian channel. Then we use the lowest and highest functions to calculate the lower and upper bands of the Donchian channel. Then we calculate the average of the lower and upper bands and name it as middle. And finally, we plot the three bands in different colors. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, the Donchian channel has been added to the chart. The green line is the upper band, the red line is the lower band, and the white line is the middle band. So that's it. That's how you can implement a Donchian channel in the Tradingview pinescript. Thanks for watching.